Getting started in the trades? Congratulations! We may be biased, but we think keeping people's homes comfortable and their lights on is a pretty awesome way to make a living. At Supplyhouse.com, our mission is to support the important work you do by carrying over 200,000 HVAC, electrical, and plumbing products from the industry's top brands. Luckily, you don't need all 200,000 of them. That's why we made a shopping guide to help you get off to the right start. Before you grab anything, you're going to need somewhere to put it. We recommend Milwaukee's 10-inch Packout Structured Tote. This utility bag is tear and impact resistant and has a carrying capacity of 50 pounds. It also has 35 pockets to keep everything organized and a padded shoulder strap that keeps the bag comfy even when it gets heavy. As an added bonus, it's modular, so as your Milwaukee storage collection grows over time, you'll be able to clip it right in. It's a quality bag that will see you through thick and thin for years to come. When you're just starting out, versatility is key. When it comes to multi-tools, we recommend the Wera 39-piece mini ratchet bit and socket kit, the Klein Tools 8-in-1 HVAC slide drive screwdriver, the Milwaukee 17-key folding hex key, and the RectorSeal universal locking key. These multi-tools are affordable and can help you tackle a wide variety of jobs without getting hung up on having the wrong size. Speaking of versatility, these Klein Curve wire strippers are lightweight, durable, and can cut, strip, and loop 1018 AWG solid and 1220 AWG stranded wire, making it useful in a lot of situations. Similarly, the Milwaukee M12 cordless quarter-inch hex right-angle impact driver gives you a great balance of power and portability. It packs 600 inch-pounds of fastening torque, but is still small enough to be used in tight spaces. Other highly portable tools include Diversitech's 3-ounce swoosh drain gun. It's extremely lightweight, but it's designed to blow out condensate drain lines instantly, saving you a ton of time and space in your bag. Another major time saver is Appion's valve core removal tool. Removing and replacing valve cores can be tricky. This tool lets you remove core quickly, without depressurizing the entire system. Looking to spend less time troubleshooting and more time solving problems? Klein Tools non-contact voltage and GFCI receptacle test kit quickly detects the most common wiring problems. Finally, we recommend the Viper Tool cleaning foam gun and heavy-duty coil cleaner from Refrigeration Technologies. The combination of the foam gun and heavy-duty cleaner is a lot better than having to manually measure, mix, and dilute the cleaning solution yourself. Now that you're a pro, make sure to join our Trademaster program. Membership is completely free and comes with great perks like free shipping, free returns, and discounts on every order. Find every product in today's guide and more at Supplyhouse.com, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.